Now question is, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7. Given is ratio of sides of triangle equal to 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Perimeter is 300 meter. Now find its area. Find the area of triangular plot. Area of triangular plot. Now what is given? Ratio of sides of a triangle equal to 3:5:7. Let first side of this triangle, let first side of this triangle, first side of the triangle which is A equal to 3x. First side of a triangle is 3x. Now what will be second side? Second side of triangle which is B, which is equal to 5x. And third side of a triangle which is C, and it will equal to 7x. Now we have to find its area, but here second condition is given. If perimeter of a triangle equal to 300 meter, perimeter of triangle equal to 300 meter, and we know that what is perimeter? Sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. Sum of length of three sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. Then after solving it, you have to find the value of x. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15x equal to 300. X equal to 20. Now we have to put this value of x in ABC to find the measurement of ABC. Now find the value of ABC by putting the value of x in it. Therefore, A will be equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60. Value of A will be 60. Value of B will be 5 into 20, 100. And value of C will be 7 into 20 equal to 140. Now value of A equal to 60 meter and B equal to 100 meter and C equal to 140 meter. Now we have to find area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We know that S equal to semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is 60, B is 100 and C is 140 divided by 2. Now add these numbers. It is equal, sum will equal to 300 divided by 2. Then semi-perimeter will equal to 150 meter. In next step, we have to put the value of S, A, B, C in Heron's formula. This is 150. 150 minus A. A is 60. 150 minus B. B is 100. 150 minus C. C is 140. Again write it. 150. 150 minus 60. It will be equal to 90. 150 minus 100. Difference will equal to 50. 150 minus 140. Then difference will equal to 10. Now in next step, we have to reduce these numbers in lowest form by doing its prime factors. Now prime factor of 150. Prime factor of 150 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to find prime factor of 90. These are the prime factor of 150. Now find prime factor of 90. Now prime factor of 90, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find the prime factor of 50. Prime factor of 50 are 2 into 5 into 5. Now in next step we have to find prime factor of 10, and we know that 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now we have to make a pair of same number and bring out one number from these pairs. 2. Now make the next pair 3 into 3 and make the next pair, and what we left, again make the pair. There is no partner of 3. Now next make the pair, and next pair is 5 into 5, and next one is, now we have to bring out one number from each pair. Now what will left inside the square root? 3 will left. Now multiply these numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 32 ja 60, 60 25 ja 1500 square root 3. And unit is meter square. Therefore, area of triangle equal to 1500 root 3 meter square. It is compulsory to write unit in our answer. We know that unit of area is square meter.